everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, I told you about logical operators. So today's topic is comparison operator. So let's see what is the definition of comparison operator. So comparison operator, it compared two different data of SQL table and check whether they are the same, greater and lesser. Okay. So comparison operations result in a value of 1 which is true, 0 which is false or null values. Okay. So note it down. Comparison functions and operators. So note it, greater than operator, greater than or equal operator, less than operator. So these are the operator and functions. Okay. So note it down. Next. So interval is not null for not null value test and is null for null value test. Okay. So like. Next, equal operator. So let's see what is the definition of it. Equal operator shows only data that matches the specified value in the query. Okay. So for example, write a query to fetch all the records of those employees from employees table whose annual salary is 2 lakh. Okay. So let's see with the query. Okay. So first of all, we have to write select asterisk from employees, which is table name, where annual salary is equal to 2 lakh. Okay. So let's check it in the terminal. So let's write. So this is our employee table. In this table, we have to perform operations. Okay. So let's select asterisk from employees. If you don't know how to select table, so you can check at my previous video. I will add in description below. Okay. So select asterisk from employees where annual salary is equal to, let's suppose 1,20,000. Okay. So it will show that data which have 1,20,000. Okay. So showing Rose Harry. Okay. Which have annual salary 1,20,000. So this is the equal operator. So let's check it with another example. Okay. So let's suppose 2 lakh. Okay. 2 lakh. Let's suppose select asterisk from employees where annual salary is equal to 2 lakh. So it will show all the data included in this annual salary 2 lakh. Okay. So this is the equal operator. If you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment section below. So our next topic is not equal operator. So it shows only those data that do not match the query's specified value. Okay. So for example, write a query to fetch all the records of those employees from the employees table whose annual salary is not 2 lakh. Okay. Is not. So we have to use this sign, not equal. Okay. So let's check in the terminal. Select asterisk from, this is okay, select asterisk from employees where annual salary is not is equal to 2 lakh. So it will show all the data but not included 2 lakh. So let's check it with 1,20,000. So it will show all the data but not 1,20,000. Okay. So this is not equal. Next, greater than operator. So let's see what is the definition of it. It shows only those data which are greater than the value of the right hand operand. Okay. So for example, write a query to fetch all the records of those employees from the employee table whose employee ID is greater than 5. So we have to use greater than sign. Okay. Let's check in the terminal. Select asterisk from employees where employee ID is greater than 5. So it will show all the data of greater than 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So let's check it with another example. So greater than 2, it will show all the data of greater than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this is the greater than operator. So let's see with another example, greater than 3. So it will show all the data. Okay. Next, greater than equals to. Okay. So greater than equals to operator, it shows those data from the table which are greater than and equal to the value of right hand operand. For example, write a query to fetch all the records of those employees from employee table whose employee ID is greater than and equals to 7. Greater than and equal to 7. Okay. So just write in terminal. Select asterisk from employees where employee ID greater than and equal to. Okay. Greater than and equal to 3. So it will show all the data of greater than 3 including 3 because we are using here equals to. Okay. So let's check it with another equal to 7, greater than equal to 7. So it's showing all the data of 7 greater than 7 and including 7. Okay, so let's check it with another greater than equal to 9. Let's suppose 8. Okay, so it will show greater than 8 and equal to 8. Okay, so next, less than operator. It shows those data from the database table which are less than and value of the right hand operands. Okay, so right hand going to fetch, so we have to use employee ID is less than 6. So we have to write less than sign. Okay, so select asterisk from employees where employee ID is less than 8. So it will show all the data of less than 8. Okay, so let's check it with 3, less than 3, which is 1, 2. Okay, so let's check it with another, let's suppose 5. So it will show all the data which is less than 5. Okay, so our next topic is less than equals to. Less than equals to operator, it shows those data from the table which are lesser and equal to the value of the right hand operand. Okay, so here employee ID is less than equal to 6. So let's check it in the terminal. Select asterisk from employees where employee ID is less than equal to 5. So it's showing all the data of less than 5 and equal to 5 means 5. Okay, so let's check it 7. So it's showing all the data in less than 7 including 7 data. Okay, employee ID 7's data. So next, let's suppose 4. So it will show all the data of less than 4 including 4's data. Okay, so our next topic is special operators. Thank you for watching.